Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to access iPhone files from computer. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as you may know, or as you may all know, alright, iPhone right here doesn't have a built-in drag and drop system, just like what we have on Android. When you go ahead over to this PC, you'll be able to see your Android device right here. For example, this one. When you open it up, as you can see here, it's pretty cluttered. Okay, you have to open it up or open up each folder one by one just for you to see where the file was. Okay, so what you can do is go ahead and download an application. Okay, as you can see here under Apple devices, you won't be able to see it as well. Okay, under files. Okay, but you can see photos if you sync it. So for files, let's go ahead and download from the App Store. Find VLC. Okay, it's pretty weird. VLC right here is a media player, but it works well with transferring files. Okay, if you want to access files from iPhone straight up to your computer. So go ahead and download the VLC media player. So once that's done, go ahead over to your files. Now, as you can see here, we now have a new folder called VLC, which is from the app that we just installed. So for example, we have the, what do we call this? This text file. I'm going to try to move it to the VLC folder. So just tap and hold onto it, and then tap on move, okay, or share if you want to, but I'm just going to move it to the VLC folder right here and tap on move right here at the very top. Now let's go ahead and check it out. Right here, we now have two items, the text file. So what you'll do basically under your computer, make sure, by the way, you have the Apple devices installed. It can be easily installed from the Microsoft Store. Okay? So find it, Apple devices, right here. Install it, open it up, connect your phone and computer via the USB cable, and then you'll be able to see a trust button. Just got to tap on trust, and on your phone as well, tap on trust. Now you'll be able to see it right here. Now, I'm just going to try to sync it. Now, as you can see here, we now have VLC. You can just tap on it. And then once done, the documents will be shared right here. So I'm going to go ahead and again, just try to download this text file. Okay. So what you can do is just tap on it, make sure that it's highlighted. If you want to select multiple, just hold Control on your keyboard, select multiple. Okay. Now just tap on save and save it wherever you want. And you could do this vice versa. Okay. So let's just wait for it, and here we have the text. So if you want to add in files from your computer to your phone, it's pretty simple. Go and find a specific file, for example, this one. I'm just going to click on Add File. Now browse right here, for example, folder, this one, open, wait a bit, and here we have it. And when we go ahead and check our phone, right here, as you can see, we now have this file as well. It's pretty simple. All right. And that is how you access your iPhone files from computer. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.